General, maintenance forms and records. Where is a 100-hour inspection recorded? In the maintenance record of the applicable equipment. Who makes the final maintenance record entry after a 100-hour inspection is completed? The person approving the return to service. What entries are required in the aircraft records after maintenance has been performed? A description of the work performed, the date of completion, the name of the person performing the work, the signature of the person approving the return to service, the certificate number, and the kind of certificate held. In addition to the maintenance records, where should a description of the major alteration be recorded? FAA Form 337, Major Repair and Alterations. Who may rebuild an aircraft engine and grant it 0 operating time? The engine manufacturer or agency approved by the manufacturer. Where may a mechanic find an example of a 100-hour inspection maintenance record entry? 14 CFR Part 43. What is the usual distribution of FAA Form 337 after it is completed? 1 signed copy of the form to the aircraft owner and a copy of that form to the FAA. What regulation authorizes a certified mechanic with an inspection authorization to approve or disapprove a major repair or major alteration? 14 CFR 65.95. What could happen to any person who makes or causes to be made a fraudulent or intentionally false entry in any record or report that is required to be kept? The suspension or revocation of the applicable airman certificates. Who may make a maintenance record entry for approval for return to service after a progressive inspection is performed, when the aircraft is away from home base? An applicable certificated mechanic, an appropriated rating repair station, the aircraft manufacturer. When is a maintenance record entry required to contain the aircraft total time? When an inspection record entry is made. What is the minimum scope and detail that the checklist must contain when performing a 100-hour inspection? That which is shown in 14 CFR Part 43, Appendix D. What is the definition of the term airworthy? The aircraft conforms to its type design and is a condition for sail operation. What determines if an aircraft is considered large? If the aircraft's maximum certified takeoff weight is over 12,500 pounds. What is the ATA 100 inspection? The Air Transport Association's numbering system to standardize technical data regardless of manufacturer. How long must temporary records be kept by aircraft owners? 1 year or until the work is repeated or suspended.